Let's pick up more on counting around the country and get a picture from the Argyll and Bute constituency. That is where our reporter Andreas Wolf is tonight at the count in Loch Gilphead. Evening, Andreas.
Good evening, Glenn. Well, Argyll and Bute is the second biggest constituency in terms of landmass, and although it is a mainland constituency, it includes 23 inhabited islands, and the ballot boxes from some of those islands, including Islay and Mull, have to be brought here to Loch Gilphead by helicopter, and indeed they arrived not that long ago. Now that means that counting here is still well underway, and we are not expecting a result here before 4 o'clock in the morning. Indeed, from past experience, it may well be 5 o'clock before we have a result here. Now this seat is currently held by Mike Russell from the SNP, who used to be a government minister under Alex Salmond. He won by a large majority last time round and is very likely to win again here. I'm also hearing that the Conservatives are doing well. They are very confident around the country, of course, and their candidate Donald Cameron here in Argyll and Bute may well get a seat via the list vote. Alan Reid is also standing here for the Liberal Democrats. He used to be our MP in Westminster, and there is Mick Rice from the Labour Party, but the Labour Party doesn't have much of a history of winning seats here. So those are the only 4 candidates here in Argyll and Bute, and we're in for the long haul here, Glenn.
Thank you, Andreas. Quick word from you, Brian Taylor.